Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can block payments on the Revolut app, that being the automatic payments that are automatically taken out. So let's get started. Now, to block a payment or payments from a certain merchant on Revolut, you would first need to open the app and then you will be on your default homepage. So from here you would need to select a transaction or a merchant that you want to block payments for. So just go ahead and tap on your transactions, so see all right here. And then let's say that I want to block payments for this person right here. I would just tap on this transaction. Then you will be on the transaction info screen. So from here you should be able to see this block future payments option. So just go ahead and tap on that and then just confirm yes, block merchant. Now, once you confirm this, all future payments that are trying to be made for this merchant or the merchant tries to make automatically will be blocked. So essentially, this is how you can block any future payments on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.